Are you looking for some family-friendly entertainment that supports a great cause? Then look no further. On Friday, March 31st, the Fidgets are coming to Woodstock to raise funds for Woodstock Christian School. What are the Fidgets, you ask? Well, they're an improv comedy trio that has entertained crowds from coast to coast. Their clean humor will have your whole family in stitches. Improv comedy is spontaneous and feeds off the energy and suggestions from the crowd, so you can be a part of this fun night. In the world's most dangerous comedy act, and as their signature sketch, these guys have a unique way of using mouse traps. They'll take off their shoes and socks and walk barefoot while blindfolded across a stage full of live mouse traps. Just how many mouse traps is up to you. You will have an opportunity before the show to purchase a mousetrap. All mousetraps purchased will be on stage the night of the event. Laughter is the best medicine. If you need to beat the winter blahs, join us on March 31st at Movement Church in Woodstock. The entire family will get their dose of vitamin H.